All right, thanks for watching, guys. We're just staining up this trim. Welcome aboard. Hey, I thought maybe you would like to see how we actually stain these four-sided pieces, right? Look at that. Now that one is done, okay? Leave it alone. Don't touch it. Don't make a big deal about it. Don't be putting on with a little paintbrush, right? Give it a second. And now while that one's drying, right, you get your stain kind of wet, right? Wrap it around it, swipe it in, and with some pressure, you want to kind of push it in. Look, you flip it right over. And look at my hand's in the center, right? You know why it's in the center? Because when I let go, I know where my marks are. All right? So there's your little pro tip. Now these are still drying. This one's drying and that one's drying. We don't need to take them off right away. And in this case, we're doing about 3 at a time. All right? So we put it on, let it set. You want that stain to set and have a chance to get down into the grain itself, right? And do its own little soak in, right? So now this one's about ready. We're trying to match another finish over here. Now with two hands, two wetted, dried hands, we just lightly pull it across like this, right? Now wipe your sticks because they may get some stuff on them, and leave that like that. If there's some light edges, we can kiss that off in a second. And now at about the same pace that you put the last ones on, you take these off. Right? You don't want to get ahead of yourself or ahead of that one because we got a bunch of them. We're going to make all these match up. So this is how you do it. This is how we do it in the big city, right? Even though we are in the country. Okay, now this one's ready. Now look, I start in the center and then walk it off, sliding it off with just a light hand, right? Wipe your sticks and now we go back over it again. So just like that, you're ready for your next batch. And now you could set up 3 more and in your own set and keep them going. But that's how we actually stain our trim out. So thanks for watching, guys. If you want to see us keeping it going, hey, I got another video for you right there. Thanks for watching. Appreciate the support.